Hi everyone, my name is Mary Mercurio. I am in my second semester in the Mallet program, and here is a little bit about me. I live in Syracuse, New York. I was born and raised in the Strathmore area, and I went to college in Buffalo, New York, and then I came back here. I attended SUNY College at Buffalo, and I took the visual arts education track. I stayed there for a little bit. I loved Buffalo. It was great there. And then I ended up getting a job and moving back to Syracuse, where I was teaching art in a suburban middle school. And that was during the time where there was a lot of budget cuts. So I was the last one in and the first one out. And then afterwards, I have worked as a pre-K teacher and a supervisor for the YMCA, a curriculum coach, and even a cake decorator at Wegmans. Did that for a very long time. Currently, I work in a middle school SED transition classroom for OCM BOCES, which is in Camillus Middle School in Camillus, New York. Camillus is about 7 miles outside of the city of Syracuse. I am very much involved with the local art community here in Syracuse. I teach art classes through a company called Right Mind of Syracuse. It's a group of 5 of us women who work together to create different sorts of events in the community at local venues. We were in the process of opening an art studio or an art lab, and then COVID hit and that put that on pause, but we're hopeful to open late October of this year. I also own a sole proprietorship called Sugar Moon Artistry. I will take you to that website in a second. And I have my certificate in therapeutic arts, and during the summer I actually still teach classes for the YMCA at a program called College for Kids. So I will take you to my website real quick. Here's just like my intro. Oops, pop up. So I teach classes through this company, and here's the 5 of us. And see if I have different art up. Here's some of my paintings. And I'm also currently the arts coordinator at a local cafe in Township 5, which is also in Camillus, and I help set up all their art programming there. So a couple other things. We are in love with the Adirondacks, which is a large park in upstate New York. We do a lot of camping all around the park. We stay on 4th Lake, one of the Fulton Chain Lakes, which is right outside of Old Forge, for a week every summer with our entire family. My husband is part of the alumni board for Paul Smith College. We go up there twice a year for campground cleanup, and we were actually married in the Ice Palace at Winter Carnival in Saranac Lake. We're hoping to move up there in the future. I have 2 boys, ages 7 and 10. My husband is a chef for a local restaurant in downtown Syracuse. I have 2 dogs and a lizard and some fish. In my free time, I love painting. I love reading mystery novels, spending time outdoors. We have a lot of really nice parks in central New York. Just creating all sorts of art, being with my family pre-COVID, and it's starting to kind of get a little bit more back to normal. We loved going to the library. We went to a lot of live concerts. I was in a book club. And I also enjoy volunteering for local organizations in Syracuse. I currently volunteer for the CNY Pet Emergency Fund and a local non-medical mental health facility. So as you can see, I kind of dabble in the arts quite a bit, and I'm very excited to get more into this class, and I hope to meet everyone and have a great day. Thank you for watching my video.